Sure. So Spark Therapeutics was founded in March of 2013. So we're actually coming up on almost our 5-year anniversary next month. And the company was founded basically on the promise that gene therapy technology was about to become a modality that we could actually use to turn into products, ultimately to help patients. And so we were founded based on research that had been done at the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia over the course of the preceding decade or so, and was founded on the premise that we could discover, develop, and ultimately deliver treatments in ways that are unimaginable until now. And we've been successful over the course of the almost last 5 years in not only achieving what is now the first approved gene therapy for a genetic disease in the United States, a product called Luxturna for a very rare form of blindness, but also developed a pipeline of 3 other candidates that are currently undergoing human testing. Well, even from the very beginning of the company in March 2013, we've been thinking about this moment, about the first approved gene therapy for a genetic disease in the United States, and what that meant as a responsibility that we felt we had for the technology in the field. But if you take a step back, our mission as a company is both to discover and develop, as well as now to deliver patient treatments in ways that are unimaginable to patients. And so we have done those first 2 steps in discovery and development, and now this important step that we're in front of us now is about delivering on that promise and delivering those treatments in ways that are unimaginable to patients. And we strive across all aspects, all 3 aspects of that mission: discovery, development, and deliver, to innovate in everything that we do. Well, we think it changes things dramatically, not only for Spark, but for the field of gene therapy. I think it's an incredibly important milestone and step forward that we had in December of 2017 when Luxturna was approved as the first gene therapy for a genetic disease in the United States. We ultimately have been thinking about this moment and planning for it and doing a tremendous amount of work in advance, not only in engaging early with organizations that ultimately will pay for these therapies, but with patient groups, as well as with physicians, as well as regulators. And so we've spent a lot of years, frankly, preparing to bring what is now the first gene therapy for a genetic disease in the United States forward. And it does very much, we look at it as not just about having success with Luxturna, but about shaping the rest of our pipeline in diseases like hemophilia, which we can talk about.